Okay, so this is going to be a really short video about how to do the homework, or rather, I'm going to be showing you the answers. I'm not going to tell you which parts are the answers, but I will be showing you the answers. So the first thing you're going to do is, the first question you have rather, is how to join a game. Now, you can see my screen, and you can see that one of these buttons has the word join. And if you click on one of these buttons, you can see that just like in the lesson, we enter a join code, and that's how we join a game. But for me, I'm not joining a game, I'm making a game, or rather hosting a game. So I'm just gonna click this right there, and we're gonna join the game right now, or start the game right now. Now the next thing is, how do we code in Minecraft? Now for some of you on tablet, you will see three buttons on the top of your screen. One looks like a robot, one looks like three lines, and one looks like three dots, if I'm not mistaken. The three dots is the chat command, which is what you can see on my screen right now. The small robot is going to be the coding interface, or this part here, which is Microsoft Make Code. And if you do press the three lines, well, that just brings up the settings like so, which we don't really need. Perfect. So how do you code? Well, the first thing you have to do is actually make your code like this, as you can see. And then what do? We type in the word that we have as our chat command, and we can make our code like so. So you can see for us, I have the chat command funny, and then I enter funny into our chat command like I just did, and it creates our code like so. Perfect. The next thing you need to know is explaining the code. So let's take a look at the code and see what happens. Right, we'll break this down step by step. So I'm gonna get rid of all that. Now you can see in one, this is the first part of my code. If I type in funny now, only that part of the code will execute. So you can see, oh, there's only a block, right? If I add the second part, what's gonna happen? Let's find some space so we don't overlap. What's different? Whoa, I can see something on top. Okay, it looks like I've added some cherry blossoms. Let's go further up. And if I add the last piece, what's going to happen now? Funny. You can see that there's a big block on top. Right. So now you should be able to explain what this code does, right? Because I've shown you step by step what each of these blocks do and what they add to the code. So it should be super simple to figure this out. So hopefully that was useful, and I'll see you guys again in next week's lesson. Goodbye.